best way to be funny with girls, Argentine lover? Pablito, when you don't try very much to be funny, and definitely not putting out balls of excitement through overthinking. We'll talk more about balls of excitement later in this video. What, Argentine lover? Have you gone mad and are trying to sabotage my channel? How could you be funny if you don't try very much to be funny? Pablito, you just came to Playful secret number 1. When you try very hard to be funny, you start to overthink and it comes across as though you're being desperate. A huge turnoff. Exactly, Argentine lover. Whether a girl thinks you're funny or not, it's a matter of chance. Because I can say the same joke to 100 girls and I'll get reactions from anywhere from being silent to being totally laughing. Therefore, whether a joke is funny or not depends on the girl mostly. So keep that playful attitude. Never base the worth of the joke, or much less your own worth, based on one girl's reaction. If she likes you, she is tons more likely to laugh. But if she doesn't like you, you could say the most incredible joke, you won't get any reaction from her. Argentine lover, what's playful secret number 2? Instead of talking to a girl and think you want to get her to laugh, think of playing mental basketball. After every conversation, always contemplate breadcrumbs at the pond. You had to go there, Argentine lover. I know you love breadcrumbs. Yes, Pablito, but I don't want you to think of breadcrumbs for me. I want you to think of balls of excitement, which are like breadcrumbs to girls because they absolutely love them. Balls of excitement. It's something that's exciting to you that girls would generally love talking about as well. Because if it's exciting to you, it'll be exciting to her, because excitement is contagious. Don't think you're talking to girls. Think every conversation is a chance to practice mental basketball. Your goal is not to have the best conversation. Your goal is just to think about, after every conversation, how could I readjust my shot to have a better conversation? For example, how can I turn whatever I said and make it a little bit more fun or even funny and say it to the next girl? I can't teach you to completely develop your creativity. You have to do that yourself through consistently shooting your shot with many different girls until you start opening up girls' hearts. However, to learn how to be electrifying, where I teach you what to say, click link.